Planting tomatoes from seeds, step by step. Planting tomatoes from seeds is the best way to get healthy, strong, and resistant plants. We choose varieties that we like, know what we are planting, and save money. The first step is quality seeds, homemade or proven purchased. The seeds are sown in a light, loose substrate, slightly moist, never wet. They are sown shallowly, about 0.5 to 1 centimeter deep, and the containers are kept in a warm and bright place. The optimal temperature for germination is 22 to 25 degrees Celsius. After germination, the plants require plenty of light and moderate watering. When 2 to 3 true leaves appear, the tomatoes can be dived into larger pots. Before taking them outside, it is mandatory to harden the plants so that they gradually get used to outdoor conditions. This way, we get strong tomatoes that will later bear abundant fruit. 10 containers to plant tomatoes in. 1. Plastic cups. Great for initial sowing. Easily available, it is only important to drill holes in the bottom for water drainage. 2. Flower pots. A classic solution. The larger the pot, the better the root development and more fruits. 3. Yogurt cups. A cheap and practical solution for seedlings. They are lightweight and easy to move. 4. Cardboard containers made from eggs. Ideal for germination. They can later be planted directly in the ground because they decompose. 5. Wooden crates. Great for sowing a larger number of plants. They allow good air circulation and stability. 6. Buckets, plastic or metal. Perfect for growing tomatoes on balconies. Be sure to drill holes in the bottom. 7. Old jars and pots. A homemade solution. Tomatoes love depth, so tall containers are an advantage. 8. Canvas or geotextile bags. Increasingly popular. They allow the roots to breathe and prevent excess water from being retained. 9. PVC bottles, cut off. Great for recycling and growing in a small space. Ideal for the initial stages. 10. Old sink or bucket. If it has depth and drainage, tomatoes will thrive without a problem. Friends, share this video with your friends on social networks. Thank you.